Hey friends, and welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In this video, we are going to fix out your Windows installation error. A media driver your computer needs is missing. The very basic step that you need to perform is to click on this cancel button, remove your USB device and then plug in into the another port. It is because sometimes the USB 3.0 port is not supported during the installation. That means you need to switch the port to USB 2.0. Now, if this doesn't work out, in second method, you can do is to open the web browser and here you need to type rufus. Scroll down and download this super simple utility tool. To create a Windows installation media. Rufus is downloaded. Nextly, you need to download Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation media again, but this time from this different program. Here it is the program that you should use. I suggest you this one. It is because sometimes the downloaded from the Microsoft website corrupted the Windows file and Microsoft even doesn't provide the hashes to verify the integrity. So use this particular tool to download Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 11. Choose the Windows and here select the edition of the Windows 10 or Windows 11, whichever Windows you would like to download. Hit the confirm button, then choose the language and again hit the confirm button. Select the type of architecture you have, then click on the corresponding download link. This will download Windows 10 or Windows 11 for you. I have already downloaded, that's why I'm not going to waste this time. Now open the Rufus tool that we have just downloaded. Here insert a USB drive. From the boot section, click on the select button and select the Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation media that you have downloaded. Now in the partition scheme, you need to choose either MBR or GPT. For that, in run command type msinfo32 and then hit the enter key. Here in BIOS mode, if it is legacy, you need to choose MBR. If it is UEFI, you need to choose GPT. I have legacy mode, so I'll choose here GPT. That's all you have to do. Then click on the start button to start creating a bootable USB media for your Windows installation. Same thing I have already created and here it is. This is my bootable USB. Now once this is created, go ahead and try to install Windows using this particular bootable USB. Now the error occurred when this also doesn't work out. Next thing you can do is to open your web browser again and here you need to type Intel Rapid Storage Technology Driver and then hit the enter key. Open the very first link, scroll down and here you will find these two zip files. Download each zip file in your system. Download the second one also. Once both the files are downloaded, copy both the files and paste it in the USB drive that we have created. Here is the USB drive. Now paste the files right over here. Once pasted, go ahead and extract both the folders by right clicking and choose the option extract all. Same with second folder, right click and extract all. Now delete both the zip files. Now let's go ahead and give boot using this bootable media into your system. Now proceed with the installation. Click on the install now button. Choose I don't have the product key. Choose the type of edition. Accept the terms and conditions. Custom install. Now click on the browse button to browse the driver that we have just copied into the USB drive. Here is my USB drive, and these are the two folders that we have created or pasted in my USB drive. Select each one of them one by one. First one, I'll choose the Intel one. Uncheck hard drivers, and here are the two types of driver that are present. Here you need to do hit and trial method by choosing the each driver one by one, and then click on the next button to continue. This way, here you got the drive to install Windows in your system. Same way you need to perform if you do not find a driver. You need to do the hit and trial method by choosing the both folders one by one, and then choosing all these drivers one by one by clicking on the next button to continue installing Windows 10 in your system. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.